Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will have a look at the bioinformatic question paper. I am sharing the previous year question papers with you through which you get an idea, a rough idea about how the questions are framed and how you have to attempt them. So let's get started with the very first paper. In the course bioinformatics, you need to focus on the theory as well. Theory is very important. Not only the numerical part or the solving some equation part will come, the theory part is very important. Most of the questions comes from the theory part itself. As you can see in this question paper, like section A, 6 marker questions are all theory based. So that means you have to make your theory strong. Even if you leave the numerical part, you can get good score if you go through the theory part. Now see, in section B also there is a question which has the numerical part, but you have an option. You guys can opt for the theory part again. So prepare accordingly, according to the syllabus. Do not focus much on the numerical part and waste your time if you're not able to get with the numerical part. Go through the theory, make your theory concepts stronger, learn about them in detail so that you can attempt the questions very nicely. See, the section C also is a theory part in which you are supposed to describe in detail. That is 10 marks each. I'm sharing another paper of bioinformatics of year 2015. You can have a look at this paper. You will get an overview how the paper basically comes. And trust me, most of the time questions are repeated. I'm saying this from my own experiences. I used to take last year question paper help, and say about 20 to 30 marks of questions questions were repeated. So go through these questions completely, solve this paper in detail so that it's easy for you to attempt the paper on the spot. Also, if you find any other doubt or you need any other question paper, then do comment and let me know, guys. And if you find all these videos useful, then do like, share and subscribe. And now you can also get the copy of notes in printed form. To know more, comment. Thank you.